So thank you everybody for attending this special event. I'm really excited to share this new App Store with you. I don't know if maybe some of you knows, but we have been working on this new App Store for a few months now with the help of Creation. And we are really, really happy of the result. We hope you will like it. One thing you should know about the new App Store is that it's not just showcasing our modules, but it's a new space where we showcase our members, contributors, sponsors, and integrators. So this is a very great space where we can showcase everything about the OCA, everything and everybody. So it was one of the main goals of improving the App Store, but also improving the way we showcase our contributors, members, sponsors, and then integrators. So let's see what it looks like. I will share my screen. It's online since yesterday, so you can access it. I'm right now on the main website of the OCA. I will use the link we have to access the App Store, but you can access the App Store directly from the URL. I'm sharing it with you right now. It's apps.oducommunity.org. But I will use our great button here to access the App Store. So this is the App Store. When you use the button on the website, you arrive directly on the tab for the modules, because we think that people are expecting to arrive on the modules. So this is the page for the modules. So I will start with the modules. As you can see, we work a lot on the display of the modules and the search criteria. When you arrived, you see the must-have modules first. So this is new. A lot of people are asking us, where do I start? There's a lot of modules. Where do I start? What are the most used modules or the must-have modules? So we worked with the consultant working group to identify the must-have modules per process. It's not finished, but we have a lot identified right now. So they are shown first on the page for the modules. But usually people will just use the search bar. So for example, if I use the search bar for mass edit, so the results are shown automatically. It's not like before you had a list showing the results and the list was not very optimal with the results. So now the criteria are better for the search. You have better results showing. Like I said, on the card, you can see the functional name, the technical name, the category. We kept the categories, but we improved them. The name of the repository. And if there's a description, sorry, I just clicked. If there's a description provided in the README, in the manifest, a short description, it will be shown, like you can see on the attribute set mass edit, there's a short description. And you have the versions where the module is available. If I click on the card, I chose this module for this example because this is the more complete example we have. So you can see the description of the module. There's a new part of the README that's named context, where you can showcase, you can describe the context or use cases of your module. So if it's field or if it exists in the README, you will see it just under the description, like in this example. You have a use case, and then you can see the Odoo compatible versions. Again, we had it on the card, we have it here. Then you have the configuration and the contributors. So they are just side by side. If we go down there, you will have the usage section. There's a lot of configuration here. Okay, so you have the usage section of the README, the changelog, which is displayed differently. It's better than before, I think. You'll see. Known issues and roadmap, and the maintainers. So if some sections are not filled or existing, like I said, they will not be showing on this page. And at the top right, I didn't talk about it, but I would just go there. You have some links. Yes, you have the technical name of the repositories, the authors, but you have links to try it on Runboat directly from the App Store. So if I click, I'm on version 19 right now, I can change it maybe for 17. So if I click on try it on Runboat, I will be redirect to the Runboat in version 17, so in the branch 17. So it's very useful. People can just try it right now on the spot. And you have the same with Get It on GitHub. So you click and you arrived at the right place on GitHub to get the module. We have, we realize that some people might not know how to use the Runboat or how to get a module on GitHub. So we did some videos to show them how to do it, so that there's the link just under the button. If you click on it, you will be redirected to a page on the website where you have a step-by-step video explaining and descriptions, this explaining how to use, for example, here the Runboat. And we have the same for how to get it on GitHub, how to download the module from GitHub. So this is all new. As you can see in the breadcrumb, you have the categories that are showing. So if, for example, I'm interested in the category server, the same category of my module, I could just click on server and see all the modules for this category. And then I have the search bar and everything like we had before. We have, it's still possible to filter the modules by version, by category. Like I said, we improved the categories, how it was assigned, and we reviewed the categories. So I think it's better than it was before. You can browse by repository, because sometimes you know the repository and you just want to find it here instead of going into GitHub. So it's also possible. And then you can also filter by must-have. So if I want to see only the must-have modules, I can click here, and then I will have the list of all the must-have modules. You have a, we will say, I will use the Odoo terms. So we have a Kanban view and a list view for the showcasing, the displaying the modules. You can use the different views you want. And if you want, you can change the number of items that are displayed per page. And you can, you can browse per page, like just going here using the arrows and see the different pages of the results you have. I think that's it for the modules. I know I'm going fast because I have a lot of things to show you, and you will have time to just go over it and browse and send us your comments afterwards. So I will continue with our community. So we have a menu here showcasing our members and contributors and integrators. So I will start with the individuals, our members and contributors. It is important to say that not all our members or contributors are displayed here. It's only people that accept to be published on the website. It's possible to choose to be displayed or not on the website from your portal access. You don't have to fill the survey anymore. You can just go into edit your information on the portal, and you will see a new section about this publishing you on the website. So if you're not displayed here and you want to be, just go on your portal on the OCA website and choose to be displayed or not. And you can choose which information you want to be displayed also. So here, our contributors and members and board members and delegates are displayed by the OCA Collaboration Index. So we wanted to showcase our contributors. So our top contributors. So you see first the top contributors following the OCA Collaboration Index. You can use the search bar to search for someone. You can search by countries. You filter by countries, sorry. And you can filter by roles. So for example, if I want to see all the board members, I can select this and I will have all the board members that accepted to be, like I said, published. When you click, for example, on one of the members or individual that are showcased here, you have the different information, for example, the GitHub login, the different roles that this person have. If this person is part of a working group, there's a problem here because Henrik is part of a working group. I will look into it. But you can see the working groups the person is involved in. And you have the different links to the website. And the modules maintained by this person, in this example, Henrik. So you can see all the modules that this person is involved in or has worked on. I think that's it for the individuals. Like I said, you can see the OCA Collaboration Index, the number of modules maintained. So it's very useful. Let's go to our sponsors. This is something we wanted to better showcase our sponsors because they help us a lot with the money. So we have the different sections. So they are displayed by sponsor levels. You have the platinum sponsors first, then the gold, the silver, and we have another page. Silver again. We have a lot of silver. And bronze. On each section, you can, if you want to become a bronze sponsor or silver sponsor, you have the link to click on it. And if I, for example, I will just go back to the first page. If the sponsor has filled all his information, because we have this new feature for the sponsors from the portal, again, they can fill the information they want to be showcased on their profile page. So a short description, a long description, some industries for the gold and platinum sponsors. This is not set for now, so we don't have them, but you can we can see also why they sponsor the OCA, and the different members and contributors, once again displayed by OCA Collaboration Index for this sponsor. And we have the modules created by this sponsor. So this is one of the most complete example I had. This is why I chose Exxon for this example, because all the information was there. So this is it for the sponsors. And last but not least, our OCA integrators. You can search by countries, like filter by countries, or search for a company in particular. Sorry for my English. They are displayed also by the OCA Collaboration Index. You can see the different companies on the cards. If they are sponsors, they have a profile page, so you can view more like we just did before. But if they are not sponsors, they are displayed here. No problem. Everybody is shown here. We have like before items per page, and we can change pages like here, like this, with the arrows or clicking on the page. Once the most important information we wanted to showcase is their involvement in the collaboration contributions. So you have their OCA Collaboration Index and the number of members implicated with the OCA. So I think this is it. Just to show you, we have a button to come back to the OCA website. And on the OCA website, we have our sponsors, our members and contributors, and those are the links to go back to the other space. For example, our members and contributors, if I click here, I just arrive here. So it's possible to access those information from the main website. Okay. So I hope you liked it. Like I said, I went a little bit fast, but you can go there, apps.oducommunity.org, to browse and see and use it and see what you think of it. If you have constructive comments or criticism, you can send them to me. We are open to all comments. Just for we had to make some decisions with this first version. So it's a work in progress. We decided to go with this for the first version, but it will evolve in the future. So your comments are welcome for sure. Thank you, Virginie, for your comment. It's part of your work. Virginie designed all this, and I just helped make it happen. So thank you, Stefan, for your comment too. Yes, Pedro.
Yeah, hello. Let me
Hello.
put the camera. Hello, do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, now and now putting on my webcam. Yeah, congratulations on the new app platform. Indeed, it's an evolution, but I'm very worried right now with one thing, and it's the fact that you are promoting to give money to show there instead of promoting what has put OCA here in the terms of quality and modules published. I don't understand that companies that have not give money but have spent a lot of money contributing modules don't have a specific page. You are not able to click on them to see at least, okay, I can accept that you cannot publish histories, okay, but to have the modules that the company have developed, the same as you have shown for a sponsor, that's something that I can understand, and that is a very harm for the contributors that are not paying that money.
Okay, yes, I understand. It's a choice we made to display more, to put more emphasis on the individuals contributors than the companies, because it's an association formed from individuals. So on the individuals, you have the company involved, and you have all the individual contributions. This is a choice we made for the first version. It's not that it cannot involve, but this is, yes,
Julie,
we
I'm
had to
sorry,
make a
but
decision.
this is excuse. This is excuse because all the individual contributors are paid by a company. If the company is not behind paying that individual contributors their payrolls, there are no contributions. So that's a very flawed excuse. I'm very disappointed with that. I have to say. So
Okay.
please reconsider to put another detail that is very, we don't even have the company logo for the companies that have not paid. That I see that very, very, very bad, sincerely.
Okay, I understand. We will take it into account for sure. Did you have other comments?
More technical ones, but please put like you cannot control click on each Kanban card to go and so on, but that's our technical ones that can be solved. And if you put an email where we can write,
Yeah,
or any,
you can write to
we
me directly. I will just put my email here. Thank you, Pedro. Is there other comments, questions, doubts? I see a lot of comments in the public discussion. Thank you for the comments. Anybody? Thank you, Mohammed. Okay, so the must-have modules, how does it work? Is it linked to GitHub? What do you mean, Virginie? Virginie, can you? What do you mean? Is it linked to GitHub? No, it's not in the README. It's defined directly on the platform. It was easier to do it that way, to have it only on the App Store, not on GitHub also. Well, for first, it could be an improvement. Okay, well, if there's no more questions. Oh, Sebastian has answered. You have to configure the must-have modules in the Odoo backoffice, but it will be possible to add an extra key in the manifest. So yes, it's an improvement that can be done. Any more comments? Thank you, Julien. Okay, so I will let you go. And if you have, like I said, comments or needs of improvement, you can send me an email and we will look into it. But we hope you enjoy it. So have a great day.